You pull up to the pump, seeing a price that is 10 cents cheaper than the station across the street, and you think you are winning. But that dime you saved is about to cost you thousands in fuel injectors, catalytic converters, and engine rebuilds. Most drivers think gasoline is just a commodity, that gas is gas. But that is a lie that oil companies love. The truth is, while the base fuel might come from the same refinery, the additives, or the lack of them, and the condition of the underground tanks vary wildly. I have scoped engines with only 50,000 miles that look like they have been smoking a pack a day for 30 years, all because the owner was loyal to a bargain pump that was feeding their car garbage. We are talking about water contamination, phase-separated ethanol, and sediment that acts like liquid sandpaper. If you want to know exactly where to fill up and who to avoid to keep your engine running like new, hit that subscribe button for Care Xpert right now. I am going to expose the top-tier secret that separates the engine killers from the engine savers. We will discuss why filling up while the tanker truck is there is a guaranteed way to clog your fuel pump, the specific grocery store trap that most people fall for, and why a slow pump is the biggest red flag you will ever see. Stick around, because detail number 7 is a specific type of station that is legally allowed to sell you fuel that can void your warranty. Number 1, the tanker truck station. If you pull into a station and see the massive tanker truck hooked up to the underground reservoirs, do not stop. Keep driving. I don't care if you're running on fumes, go to the next town. When that truck is dumping thousands of gallons of fuel into the underground tanks, it is creating a massive turbulent whirlpool. This stirs up years of rust, sediment, and sludge that normally sits harmlessly at the bottom of the tank. If you pump gas while this is happening, you are sucking that suspended debris right into your car's tank. Your fuel filter might catch some of it, but the microscopic particles can bypass the filter and wreak havoc on your high-pressure fuel pump and injectors. It is the equivalent of drinking the dregs at the bottom of a coffee pot, but those dregs are abrasive metal and dirt. Number 2, the slow flow pump. We have all been there. You squeeze the handle and the gas comes out at an agonizing trickle. You stand there for 10 minutes just to pump 5 gallons. This isn't just an annoyance, it is a massive mechanical warning sign. Gas station pumps have internal filters designed to catch contaminants before they reach your car. When a pump is flowing slowly, it means that filter is completely clogged with particulate matter. The station owner is too cheap or lazy to change it, which tells you everything you need to know about their maintenance standards. If the filter is that clogged, it is likely in bypass mode or close to failing, meaning that dirt is about to be forced into your tank under pressure. Stop the pump immediately, pay for what you got, and leave. Number 3, the ghost town station. Gasoline is a perishable product. Modern fuel contains ethanol, which is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. If a gas station is out in the sticks and sees very few customers, that fuel might have been sitting in the ground for months. Over time, the ethanol absorbs enough water to cause phase separation, where the water and ethanol drop to the bottom of the tank. If you are unlucky enough to be the customer who pumps that bottom layer, you are essentially injecting water into your combustion chamber. This causes immediate misfires, rough idling, and can even crack an injector tip due to thermal shock. Always look for busy stations. High turnover means fresh fuel that hasn't had time to spoil. Number 4, the unbranded mom and pop. Stop. I love supporting local businesses, but when it comes to fuel, Joe's Gas and Go is a risky gamble. Major franchises like Shell, Chevron, or Exxon are held to strict corporate standards regarding tank maintenance, water testing, and pump calibration. Independent, unbranded stations often buy the cheapest spot market fuel available that day, which may not have the necessary additive packages to keep your engine clean. Furthermore, they often lack the capital to replace aging, corroded underground tanks. I have seen more cases of bad gas containing rust and groundwater from independent stations than anywhere else. Unless you know the owner personally and trust their maintenance, stick to the big names. Number 5, the non-top tier grocery chain. This is where millions of drivers get tricked. You shop at a big grocery chain, excluding Costco, which is actually top tier, and use your loyalty points to get cheap gas at their kiosk. The problem is, many of these supermarket fuel centers buy gas that meets only the minimum EPA requirements for detergent additives. Engines with direct injection, GDI, are incredibly sensitive to carbon buildup on the intake valves. Without the extra detergents found in top-tier fuel, these bargain grocery station fuels allow carbon to cake onto your valves, leading to lost power and expensive walnut blasting services later on. You are saving $3 at the pump, but spending $600 at the mechanic. Number 6, the E15 trap station. This is a labeling issue that is destroying older cars. Some stations, particularly in the Midwest, are aggressively pushing E15, 15% ethanol, or unleaded 88 because it is cheaper. The pump handles are often confusingly color-coded or placed right next to the regular E10 nozzle. If you drive a car built before 2001, or even some newer vehicles not rated for it, putting this fuel in your tank is chemical warfare on your rubber seals and fuel lines. The higher ethanol content corrodes aluminum, eats through rubber hoses, and runs leaner, causing your engine to run hotter. I have seen fuel pumps dissolved and lines turned to jelly because a customer grabbed the blue handle thinking it was just regular gas. Number 7, the convenience store franchise, 7-Eleven/Circle K. Historically, many convenience store chains like 7-Eleven or Circle K were notorious for selling gas that was not top-tier certified. While some locations have improved, many still source fuel based on the lowest bidder rather than quality standards. Unlike brands like Shell or Mobil, whose entire reputation is built on fuel technology, these stores view gas merely as a lure to get you inside to buy a slushie and a hot dog. Their additive packages are often the bare legal minimum. If you drive a modern turbocharged car, these low detergent fuels can cause low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, or superknock, which can literally crack a piston in half. Always look for the top-tier green logo on the pump. If you don't see it, assume you are buying dirty water. The gas pump is the IV drip for your car's heart. You wouldn't inject yourself with discount medicine from a back alley, so don't feed your engine discount fuel from a sketchy pump. The few cents you save per gallon are insignificant compared to the cost of a new fuel system or a valve cleaning service. My advice? Stick to busy top-tier branded stations like Shell, Costco, Exxon, or Chevron, and always keep your receipt if the pump felt slow. If this video saved your injectors, do me a favor and smash that like button so we can warn other drivers before they ruin their engines. Keep your tank full and your eyes open, and I will see you in the next one.